was this ProTech toolkit here. It was like $80. I think I got it for 32 bucks. And we're gonna check it out.
That's a decent little case.
Cool little case. Sides are kind of open. I don't really like that.
Yeah, I was about to
It doesn't
say.
look like they're supposed to be open there. It's like little Velcro snippy things. Anyway.
Oh wow.
Alright.
It's got a lot of stuff in it.
Boom.
We got alligator clips.
This is what we're going to be looking at.
Plastic crowbars.
So this is ground wire for your wrist. Put it on your wrist, clip it to something that's ground, like a, I don't know, like a metal bolt or something that's attached to like a table.
Yeah, we won't be using that. That's fancy electronics.
It's there, you know. Probably not going to be working on anything new, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. Little phone key. I think that's for like an iPhone or something.
It's for the SIM card slot, yeah.
For the SIM card slots.
Yeah, and then the spongy things are with the strings.
And then I got all these things to pop phones apart and stuff. All fits in nicely in a little pouch. Assortment of tweezers for all your tweezing needs.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Those look precise.
Those are pretty nice there. And then this one opens up and it's anti-static. Those little pieces up here are plastic.
It's an anti-tweezer.
Yeah, it pulls things apart.
Wow.
This would be perfect for those damn washers on like lawnmower tires on the outside of them, where you got to put the two little things in it. I mean, that's not what it's for. Don't use it on that; you'll break it. But yeah,
a tool similar.
Same idea. So we got some metal dental tools.
That might not be what those are.
These are called spudgers, metal spudgers. So, yeah,
I would do a little bit of spudging with them.
I would probably open a phone with them because the other things tend to fuck up and break. These look pretty good. They don't look like they would break too easy. Metal spudgers. But I was super happy to get this because I needed something like this, and I was not about to pay $100.
What is that?
Like, this is another type of spudger, I guess. It says it's a Jimmy with an ergonomic handle and a flexible steel blade. Let's see. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Pretty flexible. I would definitely open a phone with that.
Break?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
feels good. Feels like a credit card.
Okay.
Good. So yeah, it feels like it would break if I like pulled it real hard.
Yeah.
Then
you don't want to
this,
be doing it too hard anyways.
it's got 50 bits, I think. Yeah, I'm trying to read the box, but I can't read, so it doesn't matter.
Words are hard, man.
Oh, plastic piece of shit. Cool. Metal.
Does it feel solid?
Yeah, all metal construction. Feel like aluminum.
Yeah. Sorry, we won't be doing that heavy duty with it.
But yeah, it came with this flex thing. I'm sure you've all seen that shit. You know,
ooh, it's still super nice to
fix
have.
awesome shit.
I used to have one of those for my Dremel.
And then it's got super assortment of bits. Not really in focus there. Yeah, anyway. Shitloads of bits, different types. Work on anything from, whoa, from a Nintendo to Xbox, cell phones to glasses. Really, I mean, yeah. So this is gonna be super useful in the future.
If we can keep up with all the hits.
It'd be even more useful if it was free, like altogether free.
Yeah.
Got some needle noses, ain't nothing special.
Wire snips.
Tiny wire snips. I don't know how they're gonna hold up, but we'll see.
Yeah. We'll try not to go cutting no fucking pipe with them and shit.
Screwdriver,
Super long.
Phillips head, nice and long. Got a little plastic spinny thing. We can apply pressure. And it came with a makeup brush.
Hey, bro, just in case you need to look fabulous while you're working on the computer.
Yeah, it'll look good or something.
Radioshack got you, fam.
Maybe dust off intricate things like camera lens. I don't know. But yeah, that's
pretty sweet.
That's all the stuff I got from Radioshack.
That's not bad for $20 odd.
I can put it back together now. I got the walls to kind of stay up a little bit.